Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Devotion. Chapter 12, Shloka 12. Knowledge is indeed better than practice. Meditation is better than knowledge. Renunciation of the fruits of actions is better than meditation. Peace immediately follows renunciation.
Chapter 12, Shloka 12. श्रेयो हि ज्ञानम् अभ्यासात् ज्ञानात् ध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागाश्चान्तिरनन्तरम्.
Chapter 12, Shloka 12. Yoga of constant practice. Actions for the Lord and to renounce the anxiety for the fruits of all action are methods to cure the mind of its various distractions, mostly for the extrovert. Now the Lord extols the abandoning all fruits of all action. Lord collects all the ideas together in a bunch by placing the sequence of the ideas in a descending order of importance to help the seeker master all the ideas. Better indeed is knowledge than practice. Knowledge of the intellectual and spiritual implications of our practices is greater than the very external acts of devotion or yoga. Meditation is superior to knowledge. To convert our learning into our understanding, intellectual assimilation and absorption is necessary. Therefore, meditation on the knowledge is far more important than mere knowledge gained of the subject. Then meditation is the abandonment of fruit of action. Meditation can never be possible for an individual in whom all energies and steadiness of mind are shattered by the agitations created of his own ruinous imaginations of the future. All fruits of action belong to the future, and to become over anxious about them is to create agitations in our heart and thereby lose the equipoise which is essential for successful meditation. Therefore, it is important to give up the anxiety for fruits of action and keep mind steady. Lord Krishna assures that peace immediately follows when the mind is steady. With a peaceful, steady mind, the intellect can contemplate on the self and gain steady progress and definite success. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.